All right, guys, welcome again to your maths practice for this week. And today we're going to be playing a game called, I think it's called Bowling Place Value. And what we're going to be practicing here is counting things, but using something called a tens frame to help us count. So in the game, what you're going to have to do when you click on the link, it'll look like this. And this is your bowling ball, and you're going to aim your bowling ball in a direction. You click and then drag, click on the bowling ball, and then drag in the direction you want it to go. Let it go, and you can see it'll knock down some pins. Now your job is to count how many pins you have knocked down. So on the first turn, it's pretty easy. So these are the tens frames. So the pins that I knocked down have been put in the tens frame. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. Okay. But we didn't really have to count them all individually because we know that this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each line is 5. So it's 5 and one more is 6. So once you know the answer, you press the answer down here. All right, so I'm on 6 so far, but now that's the easy turn. You want to see how far you can go because it keeps adding to the amount of pins you have to count. So I'm going to have another turn. I'm going to try and knock down these pins. Oh, I missed that last one. When the ball stops, I might get it. All right, so it's stopped. Now I have to count all of the pins I've knocked down in total. So that's from the first turn and the second turn. So I could count them all one by one. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 pins there. But there's an easier way to do it. I could use the tens frame to help me. Each of these rectangles, the tens frame, they hold 10. And I'm only missing 1. So 10 minus 1, 1 less than 10, is 9. So I pick 9. All right, let's see how we go. Now I've only got the 1 pin left to knock down. This should be easy. Got it. And so I've got 10 pins all in the 110 frame. So I'm going to pick 10. And so you keep doing this, you keep knocking down pins, and you're going to have to keep counting all the pins you've knocked down. And the numbers will get higher and higher and higher. I want to see how quickly you can count your pins each time without having to count them one by one. I want you to be able to say, all right, so I've got 10 here, and I've got 10 there, so that's 20, and then 1, 2, 3, I've got 23. That's what I want you to practice. How quickly can you count your pins after each turn? All right, guys. Have fun with this. Good luck.